Welcome to ProSpeak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello, students. Welcome to our new English series. Today, we are in a school setting. I am playing the role of a teacher, Miss Harper. I have a meeting with a parent to discuss his son's progress. In this first part, watch how we greet each other and start the appointment politely. Let's listen.
Good afternoon. Excuse me, are you Miss Harper? I am looking for the grade 3 classroom.
Yes, I am Miss Harper. Good afternoon. You must be Mr. Bennett, Leo's father. Please come in.
Yes, that is right. It is nice to finally meet you in person. Thank you for making time for me today.
It is a pleasure to meet you too. I'm glad we could find a time that works for your schedule. Please, have a seat right here.
Thank you. The traffic was a little heavy, so I was worried I might be late.
Do not worry at all. You are perfectly on time. Did you find a parking spot easily?
Yes, the visitor lot was actually quite empty. It is very quiet here after school hours, isn't it?
It certainly is. It is much louder when the students are here. So, how has your day been so far?
It has been busy, but good. I took a half day off work to come here. I prioritize Leo's education.
That is wonderful to hear. Parent support is so important. Before we begin looking at his grades, would you like some water?
No, I'm fine, thank you. I'm eager to hear how Leo is doing. I hope he is behaving well.
We will definitely discuss that. I have his file right here on the desk. Shall we get started?
Yes, please. I'm ready whenever you are.
Great. Notice how we used small talk about traffic and parking to break the ice? In the next video, we will open the report card and discuss his grades. See you there. Welcome back. Now that we are seated, we are going to talk about academics. This is the main part of a parent-teacher meeting. Listen for words like improvement, subject, and grades. Let's see how Mr. Bennett reacts to the report card.
So, looking at this report card, how is he handling the main subjects this semester?
Well, let's start with the positives. His reading skills have improved significantly since the beginning of the year.
That is a relief. We have been reading together every night. Does it show in his test scores?
Absolutely. You can see here he scored an A on his last comprehension test. He understands the stories very well now.
I am very proud of that. However, I notice his math grade is a bit lower. Is he struggling there?
Math is a little more challenging for him. He understands the basics, but he struggles with word problems.
I see. Is it a lack of focus, or does he not understand the concepts?
I think he rushes a little bit. When he takes his time, he gets the right answer. He just needs to slow down.
Okay, that is manageable. What about science? He loves talking about animals at home.
Science is actually his strongest subject. He participates in every discussion. He really loves the nature projects.
That sounds like him. So overall, are you happy with his academic progress?
Yes, very happy. He's a bright student. With a little extra practice in math, he'll be doing excellent across the board.
Thank you for being honest, Miss Harper. It helps me know where to focus our efforts at home.
Did you hear the phrase across the board? That means in every area or subject. We discussed his grades, but school is also about behavior. In the next lesson, we will discuss how he acts in class. Join us then. Hello again. Grades are important, but behavior is too. Parents often worry if their child is being polite or making friends. In this conversation, Mr. Bennett asks about his son's social skills. Let's hear how I describe his behavior.
Now that we've covered grades, I want to ask about his behavior. Is he respectful in class?
Generally, yes. Leo is very polite to me and the other teachers. He always says please and thank you.
We try to teach him manners at home. But does he get along with the other children?
He is very popular. He has many friends. However, sometimes he likes to chat a little too much during lessons.
I was afraid of that. He talks a lot at home, too. Is it distracting the other students?
Occasionally, it is not a big problem, but I sometimes have to move his seat to help him focus.
I apologize for that. I will have a talk with him about staying quiet while the teacher is speaking.
That would be helpful. On the positive side, he is very helpful. If a classmate drops a pencil, he's the first to pick it up.
I am glad to hear he is kind. Does he participate in group activities well?
Yes, he's a natural leader in groups. He likes to organize the team and assign tasks.
That is good, as long as he isn't too bossy.
He balances it well. Honestly, he's a joy to have in the classroom, despite the chatting.
That is a huge relief. Thank you for telling me the details.
It is important to discuss both strengths and weaknesses. Notice how I mentioned he's chatty, but also helpful. In the next video, we will discuss how Mr. Bennett can help his son with homework. See you there. Welcome back. We have discussed grades and behavior. Now the parent wants to know, how can I help? This is a very common part of these meetings. Watch how I suggest specific activities for them to do at home.
You mentioned he needs help with math word problems. What can we do at home to support him?
I recommend practicing real-life math. For example, when you go grocery shopping, ask him to calculate the total cost.
That is a great idea. Practical examples might make it less boring for him.
Exactly. Also, try to set a strict homework routine. Does he have a quiet place to study?
Usually he studies at the kitchen table, but it can be noisy there. Should we change that?
It would be better if he had a desk in his room or a quiet time when the TV is off.
I will arrange a desk for him this weekend. Do you have any recommended reading lists?
Yes, I have a list of books right here. Since he likes animals, I think he will enjoy these titles.
Perfect. We read before bed, but maybe we should read a little earlier when he's more alert.
That is a good strategy. Even 15 minutes a day makes a huge difference in vocabulary.
Is there any software or website you use in class that we can access?
Yes, the school has a subscription to a math game app. I will write down his login details for you.
Thank you, Miss Harper. We are committed to helping him improve before the next report card.
I gave him some actionable advice: real-life math, a quiet study space, and specific books. Actionable means something you can actually do. In the final video, we will wrap up the meeting and say goodbye. See you soon. Welcome to the final part of our series. We have covered a lot of ground today. Now, we need to end the meeting professionally. It is important to confirm the next steps and say a polite goodbye. Let's watch.
Well, I think I have all the information I need. This has been very productive.
I'm glad you feel that way. I will keep an eye on his chatting and you will help him with the math.
Yes, that is the plan. When is the next scheduled parent-teacher conference?
The next official meeting is at the end of the term in about 3 months, but you can email me anytime.
I appreciate that. I prefer email over phone calls, so that works perfectly.
Please take a cookie on your way out. The students made them for the parents.
Oh, thank you. I will take one for Leo. He will be happy to know I spoke with you.
Give him my regards. Tell him I expect a very focused student tomorrow morning.
I will deliver the message. Thank you again, Miss Harper. Have a wonderful evening.
You too, Mr. Bennett. Drive safely.
Goodbye.
And that is how you handle a parent-teacher meeting in English. We used formal greetings, discussed specific problems, and made a plan for the future. I hope this series helps you communicate better in school settings. Don't forget to practice. See you next time.